Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will show you how you can create AI YouTube videos, and I will show you the step-by-step process, so you don't need to high skills to create something like this video, like video editing or something like that. So step number 1, we'll use ChatGPT to get some video ideas, and step number 2, we'll sign up the account. That's mean we're gonna use the tools to creating the shorts video. And step number 3, we'll download this video, and step number 4, I will show you how we can upload shorts video in your YouTube studio. So let's get started. So before jumping into the video, if you are new here, so I am Raihan, a freelancer, a content creator. I make videos, different AI tools and money making, like how you can make money online, how you can start your freelancing journey, how you can start your YouTube channel. So if you are interested in this niche, so don't forget to subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon. So first of all, step number 1, we'll analyze our video ideas. Okay, so in ChatGPT you can write, give me short YouTube video ideas to get more views, and press enter. Okay, and you will see ChatGPT will give us some ideas. Alright, so here we go, 15 ideas. Alright, here are some engaging short video ideas to help you get more views. Number 1 is quick life hacks. Share few clever tips to make everyday task easier. DIY project, trending challenges, product unboxing, short recipe videos, fitness tips, travel highlights, tech reviews, book film recommendations, before and after transformations, motivational quotes, mini vlogs, behind the scenes, educational snippets. Okay, so these 15s you can use any of them. So if you are in this niche, so write it here, give me faceless short YouTube video ideas to get more views. So press enter, and let's see how they gave us different kind of ideas. Okay, time lapse, okay, nature footage, product unboxing, cooking videos, fantastic, completion videos, ASMR sounds, travel footage, reviews, pretty much similar with our first one. Okay, so you can write on ChatGPT and just press command, and you will see different kind of ideas. So I will create 2 shorts video, okay, from this one, and from randomly I will pick YouTube titles and then create the videos. Okay, first of all, going to the first one, shorts video ideas. So suppose you have a YouTube channel and niche is fitness, and you have multiple social media and you promote the affiliate products. Okay, so let's see, fitness tips, offer a quick workout routine or fitness advice. So you have to use your knowledge to write something. So this is our first steps, it's done. So you can find your niche. So our niche is fitness, final. And the second step is, let's create the account. So in this tutorial we are going to create a vidIO account. So this is called vidIO, and you're gonna create a account using your Gmail account, and it's completely free, no problem. Alright, so let's create the video. Here you can see the create project. So click on create project. So let's click on start with AI, and this is the prompt section. This is pretty much similar with ChatGPT. So in ChatGPT you have to write something here, it's called prompt. So you can write about there the similar thing. Okay, but in this section we are going to write something on the topic what gonna produce our video. So our niche is fitness. Okay, so write something here about fitness. That's mean you want to create a shorts video. Okay, so create a video. Alright, so create a 5 fitness tips for 30s with examples. So hit the generate video, click on that. Alright, so this is the second phase where vidIO, they are generating the video, like preparing for a script, recording voiceover, background music, find the stock media. Okay, it's really amazing. So you don't have to collect the stock media or finding the copyright free background music or voiceover or script. Also you can generate a script using ChatGPT. Okay, so in shorts video you don't need to hire a script, you just like a free command, like something like that, free tips or 10 tips, 5 tips and best tips. This kind of title you can use in your video, and you can produce the shorts video. Alright guys, so our video is ready, 42 seconds long. Okay, so you can see the subtitle section, text to speech and different kind of footage. Okay, so we will explore it. Okay, and the bottom here you can see trap story. This is the mp3 audio, sound, audio, music. So you just click on delete button. You can upload in your YouTube shorts, reels video, TikTok, no problem. Okay, so our video is ready, so let's play.
5 fitness tips that will take your workout to the next level. Tip number 1, mix it up. Don't get stuck in the same routine. Try different exercises to challenge your body. Tip 2, stay hydrated. Water is your best friend during a workout. Tip 3, focus on form. Proper form prevents injuries and maximizes results. Tip 4, set realistic goals. Start small and gradually increase intensity. And tip 5, rest and recover. Your body needs time to heal and grow stronger. Remember, consistency is key. So, let's crush those fitness goals together.
Alright guys, this is really amazing video. So you can also download as YouTube shorts like this. So it's already over there. You can select YouTube shorts. Also you can select TikTok video, also Instagram reels, LinkedIn, other social media platform as well. So let's click on YouTube shorts. Okay, and if you want to download, just click on done section, and you will see the quality. Make sure it's standard and make sure bound subtitle is okay, and click on export button and click on download button, and you will see the mp4, mp3. So click on mp4. So our video is only downloading. So let's find another topic. Alright guys, so our second step is done. We just downloaded our AI generated YouTube shorts video, and I will show you how we can upload. Okay, but before that I'm going to create another videos like, and just create project and then click on start with AI and just paste it here. 7 powerful habits that can change your life. So click on generate video. Alright guys, so this is our second video and it's already done. So let's play the video.
Exercise daily and prioritize self-care. I set clear goals, practice gratitude, and embrace challenges.
Okay, so fantastic video. So click on done and just click on export video. Okay, and when it's gonna done, so just click on the download button. Okay, so download will be available once the video is ready. So our video is ready. Click on done and mp4. I am going to show you how you can upload shorts video, okay, using perfect hashtags and something like description. So I'm going to upload my second video. That's mean it's gonna transform your life with the habits. This video I will upload. Alright guys, our video is uploading, and here you can see the checking. That's mean if we got any copyright strike or music problem. And this is the title. Let's copy the title and just paste it here. So everything is okay, but something is missing. What? Like hashtags, description or title, and just paste it here and just write it here. This is my video title. Alright guys, so this is my YouTube video title. Find some viral hashtags. So let's click on enter. ChatGPT is amazing guys. You will see the response, like response 1 and 2, and which response do you prefer? Here you can see response 1, general lifestyle and transforming hashtags, specific hashtags for health and fitness, and TikTok specific hashtags. Okay, so you can use this. Also you can use like this. Alright, and let's copy the hashtags. Also you can generate a description. So you can use vidIQ to write the description. So just click on get AI description recommendation. Click on description. So just grab the title. I'm going to paste it here, the title. And guys, vidIQ generated 5 description. Like here you can see the first one, and this is the second one, third, fourth, and fifth one. So which one do you prefer? Just click on that. So I'm going to select this one, insert it, and you will see it will insert it over there. Okay, so perfect. So everything is done. Title, description, hashtags, and few settings over there left, like click on no, and also very important, AI altered, click on yes. It's 100% AI generated, created, and also you can add some hashtags over there also. Okay, so you can see there's some recommended over there. So you can do this later, I know. Alright, so let's publish it. Okay, so just copy the title over there and add here. Okay, click on next, and here you can see guys, checks, it's all perfect, no issues found. That's mean there is no copyright issues. So I'm going to make it unlist and I will publish it later. Alright guys, if you found this video is helpful, give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. And for more tips and tutorials on video creation, hit the bell icon so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching and happy creating.